You all know this problem. You imported the wrong file resolution, or you noticed after editing the file, the images, the videos, that you actually wanted to have a bigger size, a better quality video, or a lower size because you don't need all that resolution packed in there, and it's just making the files bigger and cramming everything and stuffing these files. Well, I've got a tip for you on how you can change it after the fact. And this works specifically well if you have edited the pictures. And what you do is you just go over here to File and then to Relink Media. And this is where you can select your clips and then go to this tab and basically select a different clip. But I have to mention, this has to be the same clip. It can be different in resolution, but I believe the length has to be the same. Some metadata has to be the same so that the program, the Final Cut Pro program, actually knows it's the same clip, and it'll just replace the clip, or it'll just treat the new clip like the old clip, and it'll say do all the edits to the new clip that you want. It's pretty cool. I didn't know it was possible. I thought I had to start over, do all the edits again. But no, actually, you can just relink media. And it's kind of what proxy media does too, if you think about it.